Hello everyone, I am Amog Dharmadhikari, and this is my second video on a topic which will we understand. But before that, thank you, whomever watching my first video, and this is my second video on this topic. And why I'm doing this? So basically, it's for to share whatever I'm learning, whatever I'm gain through various platforms like YouTube and various ways. So sharing is always a greater, no matter what is that. But if you consider as in knowledge level, it will a great thing. So because of that, I'm sharing here. So let's start our topic though. So now today's topic is how technology will affect on employability, ultimately on economy and on a individual person like you and me, and on society also. So we will learn that. Before we were going to on topic, we will understand how technology is means what is the technology. So the technology is various things around us, like our gadgets, like our various devices, various way of new methods doing of something. It considered also as technology. But in generally, when we heard a word of technology, it means we using some devices, some things which makes our life easier, right? So this is basically a technology for us. And ultimately the aim of the technology is makes your and my life easier. This is the basic aim of the technology. It is secondary part that people are using in a bad way, some people are using for a crime. It's a secondary thing, but in ultimately technology is for our benefits. So now we will learn how the technology is, or what is the technology. So now we will understand how its impact, how it will affect our employability. Employability is related to be a job. Okay. And how technology affected. Initially, if we see in India, we saw a first computer in 90s time. I don't remember exact year, but almost 91, right? When globalization, you can say liberalization is started in India. So we saw first computer, and in that time, people who working in corporate sector, they feel when because they're so rigid about their work, rigid about their things, and they're not easily adapted stuff. So when it's coming, people are so scared. People are so saying that ये तो नौकरी खा जाएगा, it will ruin overall system and blah 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 stuff. But the reality is, now I'm recording this video using my laptop. It is also computer, one form of computer. It's not computer, but yeah, it's a one form of computer, and we using it to access internet, to work on various things, work on Excel, work on video making, and a lot of stuff. And reality is, it it is the thing, this laptop is, which is gives you a lot of employability, like you can create a content and a lot of stuff. But cons, although we are using computer for various work, but it also it also destroy the work of Muishi, right? The work of the person who write a particular letter, the work of the person who maintain register. So this type of works, this type of employment are destroyed, are erased. So yeah, technology will affect employability, but the technology also gives you a employability. But it's on that person how it affect on you. if you are rigid, if you are not ready to accept the change, or just like हम जैसे थे वैसे ही रहेंगे, if have someone has that type of attitude, will face a setback. No matter in what way, will face a setback in sense of technology. The person who easily adapt technology and changes in a technology in very rapidly, that person will survive in the new world. So this is about the employability. Next topic is how it's affect on economy on a individual one. Ultimately, as I'm saying, employ sorry technology is like a two-edged sword. Once it will kill, and once it will give you a ultimate goal. In terms of economy, technology is the just like a big boon for any country's economy, because if we see the revolution of technology in terms of whatever, so technology is contributing exponentially to increase, to make big economies. Just like as we see internet in 2016, when internet is introduced, literally introduced. Why? Because it will give in a very affordable way, in which it will present in a very low uh, price. So because of that, we will see there is a lot of consumption of internet, and with the use of that, people are literally comforting their life. They're solving a lot of problems in terms of economy, in terms of whatever. And people like me, who are just pass out a graduate, or in a graduation or in a education, they are try to learn it more, because it's really important for us. So once it helped economy to boost, and once it also hamper economy, because the people who literally work for any type of work, technology ultimately reduce their employment, and ultimately depend the companies to on bank on the technology. So ultimately it reduces employment, and in one side increase the economy. So as an individual, as a society, technology is curse for those who are not ready to change, and it is boon, and it is big blessing for those who, no matter how's your what's your age, what's your gender, what's geography, or what's background you from, if you are ready to change, if you're ready to adapt, ready to learn new things, no matter what's the situation around you, if you try to do that, you will survive, and that's the reality. Thank you for the for listening my video, and I'm glad that I have such an audience who listening this thing. Thank you.